Alright, working on my 2004 F650. The problem is cruise control is not working. It hasn't worked since I got it. So the two buttons you have on the dash are cruise RPM, on or off, resume up, and set down. Now the cruise on this is a Cat 3126. It works for the Cat ECM. And on doing research, you have to have, now obviously these switches themselves have to work, but there's two safeties. So you have to have the clutch pedal up and foot not on the brake for cruise to work. So if cruise was on and you push the clutch in or touch the brake, cruise would automatically turn off. So first thing, I think these switches are fine. So I started looking at the clutch switch first, and I'm going to show you that. And I think that's the problem, but I got a replacement here, and I'm going to show you how it works. So this is the clutch switch itself. There's a plunger, two big springs. So when you push it in, like to start, you got to have the clutch pushed in. That does work. I unplugged the clutch switch and it wouldn't start. But as you'll see when I get it back apart, these springs are broke, so I don't think it's coming back all the way to tell it that the clutch is not being pushed. This just slips on the clutch rod. There's a plastic cover that pops on that keeps it together. And you just got one plug in. So we're going to get under here and get the old one off. Alright, so here's the clutch switch, and because those springs inside are broke, this should be up against the firewall and stay there, but it can just go anywhere because the springs aren't doing their job. So to get this clutch switch off, you pop that plastic cover off, and then it just pops off, unplug the wires, and it's off. So here you can see, I'm gonna get it unplugged and we'll get a better look at it, but you can see the springs broke, it's dirty. That plunger should automatically be all the way up if the pedal's not getting pushed. I'm gonna get it unplugged and then I'll show you. Alright, there's a better look at it. As you can see, I'll compare it to the new one. See, that should automatically be all the way up like that. Alright, so let's get this new one on and see if it makes a difference. Okay, new clutch switch is in, truck's running. Cruise RPM is on. So what I'm going to do is rev it up and then hit the button, and it should stay at the RPM. Okay, so you can see it flips off the pedal and it's revved up. Now if I hit the brake, should turn off. There we go. That's working. Nice. Same thing. I should push the clutch in and it should kill it. Yep. Went back down. So that was the problem, the clutch switch. Cruise control work. Now this is not like cruise control like your car. Cruise RPM, that's a little bit different. But if you got a medium duty truck, 3126 Cat, check here. If your cruise control is not working, check your clutch and your brake switch first before you mess with this stuff here. Alright, thanks for watching. I'll catch you on the next one.